tastes so good and salty and savory. Healthy. Inhaling the food. Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever what I eat in a day. I'm going to be taking you through a full day of healthy, nutritious, affordable, easy, delicious meals, snacks, drinks, everything. And I am already starving. So without further ado, let's just get right into breakfast, shall we? Today I'm here with a mic. I hope to make some sexy food sounds for you. I'm joking. Wow, that actually looks so good. There's this franchise in Korea called Isaac's Toast, and they use white cabbage for their sandwiches or toast. And usually I do that too, but today I just had some leftover shredded red cabbage, and I love it. Cabbage in your sandwiches is such a great way to add volume. I'm actually really enjoying this breakfast, so I think I'm just gonna finish it up, and then I will get started back into work, and I will see you guys at lunch. So for dinner today, I'm gonna be making my healthy version of Japanese okonomiyaki. I had this for the first time like probably a year ago now in Osaka at a bar, and it was just so delicious. I believe it's usually served like bar food, but and like in that sense also very quite like greasy. But I have found a way to make it a bit more healthy and more of like a daily food, at least for myself. Like a staple dinner rotation of mine for the past 2 weeks. I absolutely love it. And it's just easy and quick. So I'm just quickly gonna whip this together and show you how it's gonna be so delicious. Healthy. Cabbage ASMR. Kind of just the most like simple like omelet in the world, but what really makes it is for sure the squid and the kale that becomes really soft, and then this tuna, you put it on like something hot, it looks like it's dancing. So it's such a fun thing, and it just tastes so good and salty and savory. I actually made a PDF file with this recipe, like my healthy version. It's a funny story. My mom got a new boyfriend, and this man is he's so nice, by the way, but and he loves cooking. He loves cooking, so I thought, let me be nice and send him this recipe, because he also likes to try different kind of Asian foods. So I sent him the recipe that I made. And I don't know, like maybe he was just very frank, or maybe he didn't really realize that I made the actual PDF because it looks kind of like professional. So my very demure graphic design skills. He just replied, like, I put a photo of the dish, just my own photo of the dish that I took. He just replied, it looks super dry, like I don't really think. And I'm like, damn, okay, you didn't have to like come for me like that. But I don't know, it was just funny. Maybe he still doesn't know that I actually made the recipe, and I was trying to be like nice and like give him a healthy dish that he can try and make, because he also works out a lot and likes to stay healthy, and he's super fit. I mean, of course, he has to be hot. Date my mom. I also made the rest of the pumpkin from earlier, and I put a bit of Danish butter, Lurpak butter. I usually just steam these in the microwave. Just put it in a dish, put the pumpkin, put a bit of water in the bottom, cover it with some kind of lid. 5 to 7 minutes, done. My mom is watching this video. First of all, she's gonna kill me for spilling the tea about her boyfriend. And second of all, she's gonna hate me for making these eating sounds. Did I even have a snack? No. Oh my god, what a boring day. I only had a freaking nectarine or mandarin or whatever you call it. Cool. Okay, for sure I'm getting a snack later. There is not gonna be a day in my life where I don't eat a piece of chocolate, that's for sure. Inhaling the food. Let me finish my dinner and then go meet my friend, and then I will show you my snack later when I have one. It took me embarrassingly long to film these small clips of cooking my food.